diagnosis and treatment of pneumonia. A specialist can frequently analyze pneumonia dependent on your side effects and by looking at your chest. In any case, you may need a chest X-beam to affirm that you have it. Some of the time it very well may be hard to tell whether you have pneumonia or another sort of chest contamination. In the event that it's not clear, your GP may complete a blood test or take a sputum test to help choose in the event that you require anti-infection agents. Specialist and patient talking about treatment. Treatment. Pneumonia can be not kidding, so it's essential to get treatment rapidly. The primary treatment for pneumonia is antimicrobials, alongside rest and drinking a lot of water. On the off chance that you have chest torment, you can take torment executioners, for example, paracetamol. Treatment relies upon how serious your pneumonia is. Mild pneumonia. On the off chance that you have mellow pneumonia, you might have the capacity to oversee it at home with treatment from your GP, particularly in the event that you have bolster from family and companions. Your GP will recommend a 5-day course of antimicrobials, which you'll most likely take as tablets. On the off chance that you don't begin to feel better following 3 days, tell your GP. You may require a more drawn-out course of antimicrobials. More serious pneumonia. A few people are too sick to be in any way treated at home and need to go to clinic. In case you're too sick to even think about drinking and take tablets, you can have liquids and antimicrobials through a dribble in your arm. You'll additionally approach oxygen on the off chance that you require it, and the clinic staff can normally check your temperature and breathing to perceive how you're doing. You'll typically be given 2 various types of antitoxins in the meantime. You may need to take anti-infection agents for 7 to 10 days, however you won't really need to remain in emergency clinic that long. Individuals who are in clinic for other therapeutic issues and afterward create pneumonia have a high danger of ending up sick. They may require unique, all the more dominant anti-infection agents. It's essential to complete your full course of antitoxins. Don't quit taking your anti-infection agents before the finish of the course, regardless of whether you begin to feel much improved.